July 15, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
I can't believe I lost my passport right before our trip.
Yeah, that's terrible luck.
I think it must have slipped out of my bag at the airport.
We need to report it immediately and see if we can get a replacement.
I hope it doesn't ruin our vacation plans.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out. We can head to the embassy first thing tomorrow. July 16, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
I can't find my purse anywhere.
Did you have it with you when we were exploring Venice?
Yes, I remember having it when we were at the cafe.
Someone must have taken it when we weren't looking.
My passport, money, everything was in there.
Let's report it to the authorities and cancel your card immediately. July 17, 2024, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I think they got our order wrong again.
Seriously? This is the third time this week.
I asked for a salad, but they brought me a burger instead.
And I ordered pasta, but they gave me pizza.
I don't want to make a scene, but this is getting frustrating.
Let's just eat what they brought us, and then talk to the manager afterwards. July 18, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
I'm feeling really queasy all of a sudden.
It's probably seasickness. Let's get you to the deck for some fresh air.
I didn't think I would get seasick on this cruise.
It can happen to anyone, especially if the sea is rough.
Do you think they have any medication for this on board?
I'll ask one of the crew members. Hang in there, it'll pass soon. July 19, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
Ouch, my skin feels like it's on fire.
Did you forget to put on sunscreen again?
I didn't think we would be walking around so much today.
You have to be careful, especially in the summer sun.
I guess I underestimated how strong the sun is here in Paris.